AscendTMS, the world's #1 rated TMS software. Look, we know as a trucking company, your success depends on your ability to move goods from one place to another efficiently and cost effectively. But with so many moving parts, it can be kind of challenging to manage your fleet effectively. Well, that's where AscendTMS and Motive Driver Dispatch Workflow comes in. With these two powerful tools, you can streamline your operations and take your business to the next level. The integration between AscendTMS and Motive allows for seamless communication between dispatchers and drivers. Drivers receive their dispatches instantly on their mobile devices, eliminating the process of phone calls and reducing downtime, but only if you know how to use it. So let me run you through some of the basics. First, we're gonna go down to settings. From here, just click the load tracking settings. Scroll down to Motive and you'll have all the steps to connect right here, which are super easy. If you want an email anytime a driver sends in a document or an update, you click this box and enter the email you want to get those notifications to go to. Once connected, if you head over to your assets, then to drivers, and select the driver's profile, you'll see at the top of the page this button here. This will either send your AscendTMS driver info to the Motive app if it's not there, or connect a driver that is already set up in Motive to the AscendTMS profile so you can start dispatching that driver directly from AscendTMS. And to do that, it's just a few mouse clicks. Right click on any load to get your shortcut menu to appear. Click the dispatch and tracking button. From here, if the driver is synced and you have all the necessary load information, you can just dispatch the load to the driver by clicking the blue button. It really is that simple to use. The driver gets his documents, and you get both updates on arrival and departure times, as well as live tracking. With the integration between AscendTMS and Motive Driver Dispatch Workflow, you can improve your operational efficiency, reduce costs, and provide better service to your customers. And with the ability to track shipments in real time, you can provide your customers with accurate delivery estimates to keep them informed every step of the way. So let's take your trucking business to the next level with AscendTMS and Motive Driver Dispatch Workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our wonderful customer support team at support@emotionglobal.com.
AscendTMS, the logistics software for everyone.
Make sure you're staying up to date with the latest marketing and how-to videos by clicking that subscribe button. That way, you're the first to know.